Hello and welcome to another lecture of NFT course for absolute beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss the business models of NFTs. It is a very useful lecture to all who are interested to earn money from NFT business. We are discussing two business models of NFTs. The steps of first business model are create digital art or NFT, list it, then mint it on a blockchain like on NFT marketplace. Then sell it with fixed price or sell it with an auction. So these were the three steps for the first business model. Now we will discuss the second business model. Browse the NFT marketplace such as OpenSea.io. Buy a NFT which you think has a scope of reselling and which is in your budget. Then resell the NFT. In reselling of NFT, you will get the amount of NFT but not the royalty. I recommend you to make money from NFT from the first business model because it gives you royalty as well and it requires less investment and have more revenue. So these are the business models for making money from NFT. That's it from this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.